Okay, here are two Bryant Central Air Conditioning units at a commercial building in Iowa City. Here's this one. Currently, neither of these are running. This one is a 4-ton from 2019. And I believe these have Copeland scroll compressors. And it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Here's this one. There's the infrared. Pretty sure it's the same thing as this one. But yeah, these two units are located at a commercial building in Iowa City. I've never filmed it before. Not sure if either of these have been running though. This one might have been running. This one's not been running. But yeah, these units both appear to be Bryant Legacy Line units. But yeah. But yeah, just so I can get a quick video of these two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.